Ang Istanbul cats are kilala all over the world. People graciously welcome them sa kanilang mga restaurants, shops, parks, public transport, and mosques. They enjoy hanging out and relaxing anywhere they can find comfortable spot. Walang nagmamay-ari sa mga Istanbul's cats. Sila ay tinuturing na pagmamay-ari ng lahat. The people who live in the city make sure the kitties have places to sleep, eat, and drink. People of Istanbul may have always loved their cats, but it is said that the reason for their feline love is deeply rooted sa kanilang religion, culture, and a sense of practicality. Turkey is officially a secular country with no official religion, but majority of the people here are Muslims. Religion, culture. Are these factors also influence the way we Filipinos are treating our strays? Ano sa tingin mo? Ang pagmamahal sa mga pusa ay bahagi ng pananampalataya. Ito ay nakasaad sa hadith ng mga Muslim. Ang hadith ay ang collection of traditions containing sayings of the Prophet Muhammad. Ang pagmamaltrato sa mga pusa ay tinuturing na kasalanan ng mga Muslim. Kaya sa hadith may nakasaad tungkol sa isang babae na kinulong ang kanyang pusa at hindi niya ito pinakain. Sinabi ni Prophet Muhammad na her punishment on the day of judgment will be torture in hell. While Muslims are completely free to live with cats, they must treat the cats well. Dapat binibigyan ng enough na pagkain, tubig at freedom na gumalaw at gumala.
How does Istanbul care for their cats?
Ang mga residente ng Istanbul ay nagdadala ng pagkain para mabigyan nila ang mga nagugutom na pusa na nakakasalubong nila. May mga shelter sila which are kept clean and safe by volunteers and are located throughout the city where cats can find protection. May mga cat houses along the streets na pwedeng tulugan ng mga pusa. Volunteers work together in ensuring neighborhood cats are fed and healthy. They also make sure the cats are spayed and neutered. Ang City of Istanbul ay nag-hire ng mga veterinarians at pinupondohan ang ilang veterinary clinics. Meron silang mobile vet bus that provides medical services in different locations throughout the city. At ang mga community members ay nagko-contribute regularly ng pera to ensure local cats receive medical care that are not provided by the municipality.
Sana all!
Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.